In this video, I want to show you how to use 888 stars Friday bonus. This is easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to use your Friday bonus, here's what to do. Go over to your menu. I'm going to click on the option that says order. If you are here, you click on the option that says order and then click on promo. I click on bonuses. So if you have any active Friday bonuses, you are going to see them right here. Now if you don't have, here's how you can check if you have any. Come back to promotions and then you are going to see all the active bonuses or promotions that you can get. So as you can see here, mine. So if you are lucky to receive a Friday bonus, you're going to see a Friday bonus here. Most of the time, a Friday bonus is just a 100% deposit. Like for here, I have a 50% bonus on deposits on Tuesday. I don't have a Friday bonus here. But in case you might have one, all you have to do is just to click on it and read the instructions that are needed to do. Once you click on it, you read the instructions, then you go ahead and complete your deposit of an amount that is reasonable. At least it should be more than $1. So your Friday bonus is active, and then you check if it's active. You just go ahead and place a bet of more than $1, and once that's done, you're going to receive a bonus. Now, for you to use it, all you have to do is to go back to placing a bet, and you place a bet with all the money in your bonus. So if you deposit $1 or $2 on Friday and receive a 100% bonus, all you have to do is to place a bet with all that amount. Once you place a bet with all that amount, and if you win, you can withdraw both the money and the bonus to your account.